Hello guys, this is me Sana, and in today's video we will learn how to center a div. So let's make a new project folder, name CSS, and just open it with Visual Studio Code. And let's create two files here, an HTML file, index.html, and a style sheet, style.css. Into the HTML file, place a template here and add a link to the style sheet. You can change the title whatever you want, but for now let it be document. And in the body tag I'm going to make a div. Okay, and now in this style sheet we are going to give some properties, styling properties to div. Okay, to center a div, what I'm going to do, I'm just giving a specific height and width to a div. Let's say the height of the div is 400 pixel and the width of the div is 40%, and the background color, give it any color. Let's just save it and run it on the live server. Server is starting, and as you can see the div is not in the center, it is on the left of the screen. It is on the left of the screen. We want the div into the center, so there is a property margin. If you set the margin property to auto, the div will come into the center of the screen. So this is the easiest way to center a div, and for the beginner programmers who are learning CSS, who just started learning CSS and HTML, they find it difficult to center a div. So this is the most easiest way to center a div. Let's resize